I'm Julie Alpert.
My name's Andy Arkley.
And this is our show, Light Tricks.
This show is a two-person show. Julie has one half of the gallery and I have the other half of the gallery.
So Julie and Andy came last year and they presented about their work. And I was really excited about their work. I thought their work just spoke to our students so clearly, and our students were really excited about having them here. And so while they were here, they were telling me that they were interested in working on a big exhibition, a collaborative exhibition together. And I said, well, you want to do it here?
There are a series of sculptures that I made at the end of last year. They're made out of plywood. I use an airbrush and tape to make a very crisp line on these pieces. And they're based off some sketches that I did earlier in the year.
So I make temporary site-specific installations, and I use a lot of everyday craft materials like craft paper and duct tape and other things that you might find at the craft store or the office supply store.
When you walk in, you are instantly impacted, or you see Julie's work. And you might not think, okay, this is something that I would interact with, but because of the color, because of the light trickery that she uses, they're almost like these kind of theater sets in a way.
So this is another installation in the show, and it's called The Discarded Memorabilia of Strangers. And so it's an arrangement of all of these custom wood drippy shelves that cast these really cool shadows with found objects, these framed drawings and photographs and prints that I purchased from the Goodwill, and so these are things that people used to decorate their homes with.
And then of course Andy's work is all about interaction. You actually have to play it.
So this piece is called Try to Get Higher. This piece is interactive. It's controlled by a control panel. As you push buttons, different elements of it light up with different animations and different musical sequences. And depending on the combination of buttons you push, you'll get a different composition each time.
So I think the thing that excites me the most about this is the way that it engages our community. And I think very often when Las Crucians and our students feel like they're part of an art piece, it kind of gets them really excited.